We're eating a Costco street. Cheese hot dog. $3.79. Now you know why people come here. Look at this. $3.76. So we're gonna have a hot dog, soda for my wife, and cheese pizza. Can't beat it. Now let's see what it tastes like. There's that hot dog. Okay, we're going for it. Ready? Ready? A lot of yelling going on. Mustard relish. Is it all beef? All right. Not bad. Guess what? It's a little cold. It's a little crowded in here. I'm not going to give it a high score. One more bite, though. All right. A big pizza, right? My wife already took a bite. Let's see how this tastes. Warmer, not cold. Overall, if you lived on this stuff, you'd probably die 10 years earlier. Overall, it's a 5 Costco. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at all my socials. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Well, we survived Costco. We bought some stuff. I have to say that the food, maybe it's just me, the food wasn't that good. And we are in the Costco parking lot. You can see that right there. Place is packed. Maybe only fools would come to Costco on a Friday. But I do want to do a shout out for my my son's stepdad. Name is Steve. And he says he actually watches my videos. And he's, I want to thank him for taking care of one of my ex-wives. And my only son for over 30 years. He's a good guy. And that's for you, Steve-o. Peace. Baba! Is it on? Huh?
Yeah.
What are you touching?
Your screen was way out. Your head was the only thing I could see.
Oh, no. Okay. Lower your chin so you can get some of the fat out. I'll do the outro.